Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can restore your contacts on iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18 above. Okay, so first we have there are a number of ways you can do it. Firstly, you need to go to the settings, and then after going to settings you need to go to the your iCloud account here, and then after going, there is an iCloud button, click on it, and then go to save to iCloud. See all the apps which are installed in your iPhone. You need to find out the contacts in this area, which is this. Just turn it off and on by clicking it, by tapping on it. It will turn off. Make sure it's on, and it will resync all the contacts within your phone with your iCloud. Okay, another method we have here is just go to the browser and go to the icloud.com, and it will open up your ID like this, the iCloud account which you have. Tap on the dotted button here. It will show all the apps within your iCloud, and then there is a data recovery option here. Just tap on in the data recovery and then go down, and then there are restore contacts option over here. You can just restore the contacts, and it will automatically restore all the contacts within your iCloud to your iPhone. Okay, another way, like if you don't have any contact listed with your iCloud, it might be with your mail account. What you need to do is go to the settings, and then go down, and there's an app option here. Just go over there, and after going to the app option, find the mail section, the mail app here. Just go into the mail app, and after going to the mail app, just go into the mail accounts which are linked to your phone, and make sure that your mail account, like this Gmail, all the contacts, if your contacts are stored in the Gmail, make sure that you have enabled this option. And if you are not linked any of your Gmail account with the iPhone, just you can link overhead by add a new account, and make sure both of your accounts are linked, and that's how all your contacts and details will be restored in iPhone 16 Pro Max or 18 above. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, bye bye.